Another day, another video. Panoorin po natin ang laban ng ating kababayan na si Rolando D. sa bare knuckle. Ito po ang intro ng dalawa. Let's go! Ito po ang nakakalaban niya si Paulie Malignaggi. Mukhang malakas din ang nakalaban niya.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Brooklyn legend, Paulie!
Mataas ang kumpiyansang madadali niya ang Pinoy. Aroy! Naggilit pa ng leg. At ito naman po ang ating pambato. Ang ating kababayan, si Rolando D. Konting kalaman po sa ating kababayang si Rolando D. Siya po ay pinanganak noong August 11, 1991 sa Parañaque, Philippines, sang Pilipino. Ang height niya po ay 5 feet 8 inches or 1.73 meters. Ang reach niya po ay 69 and 1/2 inch, 177 cm. Fighting style, boxing, Muay Thai, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. Naging active po siya sa MMA noong 2011 to 2022. Total fights niya ay 29, wins 15, knockout 4, submission 2, and decision by 9. Losses 13, knockout 6, submission 2, decision 5, and 1 no contest. Sa unang sagupan, makikita po natin na mukhang puro yakapan muna. Nagtatantyahan po itong dalawang boksingero na parehas nagnanais na manalo. Di kita ng laban. Na may halong mga gulangan. Mats na mats lang ang laban dito. Makikita lang natin na ating kababayan ay ang batak na batak ang katawan. Ang bare knuckle po ay walang gloves. Boxing po siya pero walang gloves. Parang street fight lang po. Kamao sa kamao ang abay. Itong sport na talagang basagan ang mukha. Matira matibay.
Yeah, but Paulie has to, establish himself in this first round, either with his offense, with the jab, or with his footwork, and make D miss and make it pay.
Mas marami ang yakap ngayon. Dapat ito ay pinag-iiwalay agad na rep.
This is not the fight that Paulie envisioned if he was to come away with a victory.
Nakaka-proud na meron tayong isang Pilipino talagang matapang. Lahi ni Andres Bonifacio.
Paulie does not.
And Rolando D made no qualms about it. He says there's things about boxing that I'll never know that
dating world champion din
there's things about being
na
an
si
MMA
Rolando
fighter that
Navarrete.
he just cannot learn
Talagang may
in a
dugong
span of a
mandirigma
year.
itong ating kababayang si Rolando
Right
D.
to the center and then change his level, which I think is a good idea. But if I'm in Paulie Malignaggi's corner, I go, hey,
Di
get through the
umatras.
first 2 rounds. All you need to do is not get knocked out, not get finished, not get cut
Mukhang
in the first 2 rounds. Then the cut is
mataas
going to
ang
start
kumpiyansa
catching
ng
up with
ating kababayan.
That's when your speed and your accuracy is going to be much
Laging
more of a
pasugod.
factor in the later rounds. We see how Rolando he does. He just waits.
Naabangan ng bawat kilos ng kalaban.
Yep, throws big punches on the counter.
Ayun, ang tinamaan doon.
Nice right out
Nabot
of the
doon.
Philly shell from Rolando D, but he's just trying to tire Malignaggi
Sa labanang to, makaisa ka lang ng solid. Dahil nga sa wala kang gloves sigurado may kalalagyan ka. Pulang-pula na ang mukha ng kalaban ng ating kababayan.
Going to the chest and the chin of Malignaggi. Nice right hand there from Rolando D. Malignaggi holding up well in terms of his skin so far. Don't want to jinx it, but
talagang laging pasugod at palaban
D has been
kababayang si Rolando D.
It's a decent start for Malignaggi in terms of not busting up.
Marami ding nanonood. Dami din siyang punch.
Second round of our main event, Bernardo Osuna alongside Jimmy Smith. And Paulie Malignaggi gets clipped with the right. And down
Susunod na round. Ako, inabot. Ito na ang katapusan.
Right hand caught Paulie mid-combination.
Pag ikaw ay tinamaan na,
The count is at 8. I don't know if
dahil
he
nga
makes
sa
it, he
walang
does.
gloves ng isang solid,
And look, D is ready to
mahihirapan ka nang
finish the fight.
makarecover.
One more punch here in the second
Kaya na,
round.
inaabang
He's
ka na.
lining up Paulie.
Rolando
Paulie has
D.
great survival instincts, and he goes
Naku,
down again as he
ito, saan aawatin na to na referee.
Paulie's got to
Pag
move
ito,
and get
isang
out of
solid
there.
pa, pulang-pula na ang
Got to get
mukha
out of the corner.
ni Rolando, anong kalaban ni Rolando
Does have the
D.
speed, does have the combinations, but not at this distance.
Oh, another right and down is Paulie
Saan tama pa
again.
nito? Lako, yun.
And now he's bleeding.
Basag na to.
He is in
Luguan na ang kalaban ni
continue.
Rolando
This
D.
corner of D is saying, "Don't get up."
Awawatin na ng hit ng kanyang corner.
And he says, "I didn't
Inawat
wanna
na
hurt him, but here it is."
Inawat na ng
Knockout
corner.
in the second.
Congratulations sa ating kababayang si Rolando D. Mabuhay ka. Patuloy mong igwagayway ang bandila ng Pilipinas.